Hello everyone, my name is Danny Ivan with Danny Ivan Beards, and this video is about when you should apply beard oil in your beard. For those of you who have a short attention span, here's the answer. Apply it when your face is wet, when your beard is wet, that's when you want to apply the beard oil, and then style your beard. So for those of you with a short attention span, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, the bell, all that jazz. For those of you who want a more detailed video, stay tuned. So I'm going to show you things I do every day basically when I style my beard. So I just got out of the shower and my face is still relatively wet. So first thing I do, actually right before I put on the beard oil, I like to use one of these type of brushes and just flex out the beard like so. Get it looking as ridiculous as possible. Get up in that mustache. Just basically so the beard's all over the place. Then grab your beard oil. I'm not saying who I use because I don't have a sponsor yet. Hint, hint, wink, wink. So get a few drops. You only need just a few, not too much. Don't over exaggerate it. Oil's, it's like silky, spreads, so you don't need much. Get all over your hand. And then just run it through your beard, like so. Bam! Just like that. Next, now I have to straighten this beard. What I like to use is a blow dryer. This bad boy right here. And the settings I use is just hot, and I just use slow speed. Warm if you already like where your beard is at and you want to just keep it where it's maintained and straight, that's good. I'm still training some, not too much left, just a little bit here, but most of the beard's good, but I'm still going to go with hot. So when I run this down my beard, I just curl it down like this gently. I don't press too hard on the beard, but that's how I do it. So let me demonstrate real quick. First get my sides of my hair real quick. Right. Gently. And the cheek. And then next, I go with a comb, and then I like to go with the short bristle parts to really get in there and it helps straighten that beard out. And just go really slow. Be patient, just go slow. That's how you train the beard. The heat is feeling really intense right now, so if you need to run it on warm, go for it. But I'm from Arizona, so I'm a desert man, so I'm used to this type of heat. So, as you see, I style my beard just a little bit slanted this way, and kind of straight down from here in the middle. You can go straight down. It's your personal preference how you style your beard, just like how you would with your hair up here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Sometimes I'll cool it down. My blow dryer is like this cross shot part. I'll just do this, cool down a little bit. And that's all there is to it, everyone. It doesn't take that long. Just everyday thing. To put in the beard oil, makes the beard soft. Some girls like to touch it when it's soft. And that's about it. If you have any questions, if there are any other videos you want me to do, make sure please comment below. And please subscribe. Hit the like on that video and that little ringer bell dealy and all that jazz helps. So please, if you really did take the time, you watched it, please contribute back. It's all I'm asking. Just click that like, subscribe. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good one.